Good morning, everyone. This is just a video showing you how to access your Flipgrid assignment for students. Okay, obviously you would go to your teacher's Google Classroom. In this case, mine's AEL Summer School 2020. Okay, most likely you either find the Flipgrid on Stream or you would find it in classwork, depending on where your teacher put it. In this case, for mine, it's under classwork and it's actually an assignment. So you would go ahead and open the assignment, click on the Flipgrid. You're going to log in with Google, and here it should show up with your first name, last name 001 at cusdstudent.com. If it doesn't show up, you're going to use another account, and then it's going to ask you for an email. So you're going to go ahead and type in your school email address, the one that ends at cusdstudent.com, and then log in. But if it does say here, then you'll just click on your account, your student account, and you're successfully logging in. And as you just scroll down, you'll see the directions for this particular Flipgrid is welcome to Flipgrid. Tap on the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera. So what you're going to do is, in this case, you'll say hello and share a fun fact about yourself. So you'll scroll down. Okay. As you notice, someone has already responded to this Flipgrid, this topic. So you'll click on the green circle. It says record a response. You'll click on that. Before you start recording, you will see that I could do different filters. Okay. I could add text. And then when I'm done writing, I could move it to wherever I need it or resize it. You can go ahead and do that. Okay. Other features you'll have, you could add stickers, emojis, different kinds. Just make sure that when you're responding to a video, it's appropriate. These videos that we're creating will be moderated. That means that I will look at them. Your teacher will be looking at them before they're made public. Okay. You could add a photo or anything like that. Once you're ready, you're going to click the record button at the bottom, and it'll give you a countdown. So, hi, my name is Mr. Partita. I'll be doing a 4 or 5 combo for summer school. I love to cook, play sports, camping, and I come from a family of 19 children. So I have 19 brothers and sisters. That's a cool fact about myself. And so you all know, I am Iron Man. Just because I love technology, and this is what I love to do. Looking forward to meeting all of you in a couple weeks. And so enjoy your last week of school. Then you'll go ahead and click pause. Then you'll click next. So hi, my name is Mr. Partita. It's going to give you a preview of what your video is. You'll click next again. It's going to ask you to do a selfie. Smile. Take your selfie. If you're not happy with that, you can redo it. Plus, here are all the other features that you could add to your selfie. Another thing, if you don't want somebody to see your face, you could add this filter. Or you could add an emoji sticker like this, enlarge it high up so that way you can see it. And then when you're ready, just click next. And it's uploading. Put your name to display it. And then when you're ready to go, submit video. And before it's made public, your teacher will look at it. And when he or she believes that it's inappropriate to publish, they'll go ahead and do that. And now they'll delete it and maybe let you know to do it again. So you click complete. And then you have your responses here. If you would like to view somebody else's, just click on theirs like this.
Hi, this is Maya, ELTS.
Okay. So once you're done watching this video, if you wanted to reply, you'll click reply, and it's the same process just like you would be doing. So here you would say, um, Maya, nice to meet you. Look forward to working with you this summer again, and have a good last week of school. And then click next. Maya, nice to meet you. Review. You'll click the selfie. It's exactly the same steps that you would do when you're responding to the topic or assignment. Click next. And then again, display your name. Please put your real name. I want to make sure that who's on here. And then submit video, and it's complete.
Hi, this is my.
So you can see that her video someone responded. So you'll see everybody's response to the topic, okay, or the assignment. And then if somebody replied to your video, you'll see that the person's selfie here at the top. All right. Hopefully this works out good and you enjoy. So when you're done, you would just log out. Okay, close the tab, go back to your assignment, and just go ahead and click turn in. So that way I know that these assignments have been turned in, and then I'll go ahead and look at your responses on Flipgrid, and those will also be recorded and graded as well. Okay, hopefully this is helpful, and again, looking forward to meeting everybody for summer school.